Practice page 3F. Circle the vowels and slash the silent E. Draw a line between the consonants so that the consonant blends and digraphs stay together. Mark the vowel sounds as long or short. When you are done, read the words to your teacher and a friend. The first word, we will circle our vowels. We have an A, and a silent E. We're going to look for the blends. There's a blend that says SL, so we'll keep that blend together and we'll draw a line before that to divide it into two syllables. Translate. The next word, circle your vowels, put a slash through your silent E, and look for any blends or digraphs. TH is a digraph, so we want to keep that together. So we will divide after the digraph, and that gives us the word athlete. The final word, we will circle our vowels, put a slash through our silent E, look for any blends or digraphs. I see a TR that needs to stay together, so I will divide before that, and I'll get the word intrude. Be sure to mark up your vowels. The first syllable is closed, so it will have a short vowel sound. The vowel consonant silent E syllable has a long A, so that will have a long symbol. The same with athlete. Ath has a short A, and leet has a long E. Intrude. In is a closed syllable, so it has a short vowel sound. Trude has a long U, so you'll mark it above. Continue with this on the rest of the page.